Igbo gburugburu unu n'ezi anya n'elu unu na-afụ ya bụ isi afụrụ wee kpaa okpu eze okpoko wa nna ikwu biko nwee ike ịgwata ihe anyị na-atụ anya n'ụbọchị taata sa.
Well, I'm Ashi Moke.
Wow. Yes.
And again, any person when they may honor to Nigeria Police, Nigeria Air Force, Nigeria Army, and Nigerian Navy for what they are doing in Nigeria. So we are giving them an award, and each award go with medal and gift. So we spend money every 2 years to honor them. God, it's not easy to serve their country. So this is what we are doing. We are doing for over 6 years, and today you will see timber and caliber of men and women. You will see the king. You will see the law. So they are going. Here will be over full.
Okay, thank you, sir. Just like you said, to those that has really served the country, you are awarding them today. What other thing are we looking forward to, sir?
Okay, we will give them rice, bag of rice, Indomie rice, Indomie yam, and cash to all the widows.
Wow.
All the widower.
Okay.
Those that cannot eat.
Oh.
So we are doing it every year.
This is quite encouraging.
2 times in a year.
Okay.
June and December.
Okay.
So you will see it here today.
Okay.
And again, we are those that will give check.
Okay.
Of 1 million.
Okay.
200 naira. 300 naira.
Okay.
You will see it here today.
Okay, sir.
So Iboboti is club that is like NGO.
Okay.
We care for those that don't have anything.
Okay.
Like now, let me show you. We pay for hospital. If you are sick, you don't have money, you go there, they will treat you free of charge.
For free? Oh,
yes,
wow.
Yes, we'll pay the money.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's very well organized.
Okay.
And we bought land. Give every of our members 1 plot at the Jodo, our estate.
Okay.
So we are not into political.
Okay.
Yeah, we want to serve humanity. And help men and women of this country.
Like
it don't matter where you come from.
Yeah.
Either you are Igbo, either you are Yoruba, either you are Hausa. As far as you are a human being.
Okay.
Come to office. Okay. We can hear you and help you.
Okay, just like the watchword of Igbo Bulotu goes, serving humanity. What does it take to become a member, sir?
Okay,
for now, mommy, Okachasumaka award ndị Igbo dị n'otu nyere gị tata. Kedu ka obi dị gị? Ogo sị na ịgbapụtara ezigbote mbọ ma let us be award of excellence. Ihe nwata tolu oge ya bụrụ ụsa. Nnukwu nne nnọọ. Biko kedu okwu nwere ike ịgwa ndị ụmụ ntorobịa anyị kacha ndị nọ na South East ọkacha ndị na-enye ndị ọjọọ ihe ndị bekee kpọrọ cultism. Kedu ndị nwere ike ịgwafa? Plan B.
Yes, plan B, free of charge. Give you money to start the business.
Wow, that's good.
Apart from that, there are lots of crime.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay. Able Secretary, sir. Okay. I just finished with the President General. Let's see if you have one or two things to say concerning your outfit, Igbo Bulotu.
Okay. Igbo Bulotu is a big association established about 6 years ago.
Okay.
And from that time till now, God has been so merciful on us.
Okay, your name, sir?
My name is Comrade Ifani Igwebo, the General Secretary worldwide. So we thank God that this association is formed because so many people have been elevated from here. So many captives have been set free.
Wow.
So many prisoners have been released.
Wow.
So many people that is in the bondage of financial difficulties has been elevated.
Okay.
And in fact, it's the finger of God.
Honestly.
The association is just a finger of God. And I'm very, very happy to be associated with the association.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you, in what way do you think that Igbo unity Igbo Dunotu can legate the same feat they are doing here in Lagos to the eastern part of Nigeria?
Yeah, of course there is. Our hands of fellowship is extended to the eastern part of Nigeria. We have solved so many cases there. Okay. We have solved so many cases of intimidation because I'm bigger than you, I can intimidate you. We always intervene and make sure that justice is carried out. Okay. You understand? So, and we are still moving. We are establishing branches. We are establishing branches even in the southeast, in the south. We are establishing branches everywhere. So it's going viral. He's just only 6 years old today.
Honestly.
6 years old. So, and we have over 2,000 members.
Wow.
Already.
Wow, this is quite encouraging, sir. Moving further, in what way do you think Igbo Dunotu can help in curbing cultism in eastern part? And then this latest menace called Mbulum Mili. Okay. You must have heard of it. So what are we doing about it?
Well, for now, that particular issue is left for the security outfits, not us. We have our manifesto, and we cannot exceed our manifesto. Okay. We don't have anything to do with politics. We don't have anything to do with Nkurumbiri or whatever. All we care about is any Igbo man that is being intimidated wrongfully, we will intervene on that person's behalf. Okay. What are you going to do to someone that is taking Nkurumbiri? It's a safe decision. Okay. So this thing is something that has to do with the security agents, not Igbo.
Okay, so I suppose you're having your General Secretary.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.